Hello, today I'm doing a short presentation of an iconic mechanical pencil made in Japan. It's the Kuru Toga from Uni. It's the 0.5 millimeters version, and it has some very interesting features. First of all, it features an eraser built in, which you can replace, and it's a full metal body pencil. It feels very well built and very comfortable to write with it. A stainless steel clip, and the most interesting thing about this pencil is that it features a clutch mechanism that rotates the tip of the pencil when you write with it, so the whole surface of the whole diameter of the lead will be equally utilized. This also prevents breaking of the lead, and this ensures a more organized writing experience. I'm not sure if you can see this. When you push on the lead, it rotates the whole mechanism, and this ensures even writing. You can see through this tiny window here. Very good pencil for writing in any position, laying down or on your feet or at a desk. Okay, let's see how it writes. Anytime I'm pushing on the lead, the mechanism rotates. Very nice. If you have any questions about it, just use the comment section below. Thanks for watching.